Welcome to Raisins.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Data Analysis and choose Correlation Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the variables for correlation analysis. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.